Have you been looking for a way to browse the internet for free over time? Then stick around on this video and I'll show you how to use a very simple application to browse the internet for free. So if you're an Android user and you have your phone handy, you can come with me to your Play Store, like so. So once you have your Play Store, you search for this application, that is the Stack VPN Reloaded. So you can go to your search bar and you search for the Stack VPN latest version. So once you do that, you get this application. If it's not installed on your device yet, you click on the install button. So once the application is installed on your device successfully, you open up the application. So it comes to this is an AD, so you go back to the application. So once you have this application on your phone, you could select, okay, if you just installed your application, this is what you get on your interface. Then you click on none or direct. So once you do that, you hover onto your country, that is Nigeria, and you have a lot to choose from. That is the MTN. Okay, I use MTN, so I can go for either MTN 50 MB daily, MTN 49 MB daily, MTN 200 MB daily. So I will be going for that of the MTN 100 MB daily. So once you do that, okay, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, so I'll be disconnecting my Wi-Fi to see if we could browse directly from my SIM. So once I do that, I click on this red button and it turns green, and I give it some time. This is an AD. An AD pops up, then I take it back. There is another AD, and I wait for the AD to read it to calm down. Okay, and okay, I have the application is now connected. As you can see my upload and as you can see my download, the both moving fine, which means I'm connected now to the internet. So now let's go to my Google and let's try to browse something to see if it's going through. So this is UBA secure parse. This is something I browsed recently. As you can see, I'm browsing flawlessly on my connected VPN. You can just browse, check for anything you want to check, and you will see that you actually have access to the internet. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of videos like this.